we're seeing other chip stocks rally today, right? But Intel is not coming along for the party. Here's the problem. Lackluster forecast, also warning that it's struggling with manufacturing problems. So it's not that they don't have the demand, it's there, but Intel says it's having a hard time pushing out the supply. And so the Intel CEO is actually saying we are on a multi-year journey. That's sort of the that's sort of the soundbite I pulled out of that. Remember, Intel had such a great year last year, and of course that infusion from the U.S. government taking a stake in them, NVIDIA taking a stake in Intel. But it's sort of back to reality now, and they have to be straight with the street. And they're telling them, look, we're having some manufacturing problems.
Here's some context. I mean, the stock's up 47% this year, up 150% over the trailing 12 months. So just a little bit of a give back.
But I like that, Paul. That's brilliant. But over the last 10 years, Paul Sweeney taught me how to do this as well. 2015, Intel's up 3.49%.
Yep.
I mean, I get it. It's a pop. But folks, this is like deadly serious. Do we have the manufacturing process, skill sets,
the fabs,
to get all these hopes done?
Yeah, not right now. Not right now.
Yeah,
Next?
Wall Street, not loving it. All right, solar stocks, they are in the news today. And this is because Elon Musk, he made some comments in Davos on solar-powered satellites. So he said one of the things that they're going to do with SpaceX in the next few years is launch solar-powered AI satellites. So that was a big driving force behind these stocks moving. And of course, we also know that SpaceX looking to go public this year. They've now engaged 4 banks to do it because it would be such a big IPO. So we've got a lot of movement around AI satellites right now, usage around data centers. So Canadian Solar up 7%, Array Technologies 2.6%. You get the idea.
We go to surveillance rubber chicken correspondent Paul Sweeney here. When you have 4 banks on a ginormous deal, I mean, like the lunch, the marketing, the merch, it's nuts, right?
I mean, this is going to be the biggest IPO of all time, max. So, I mean,
how do you do a lunch at 12 noon at the Marriott?
Yeah, I'm not sure they're doing that, but every bank in the world's going to be working on this thing. It's so big. I think that's a lot of stock to move out the door, Tom. So
can't wait for that one.
That'll be a good one. That'll be good.
So if you don't move the stock out the door, it sits on the desk?
Yeah, and we don't want that. And it's not. This is Elon Musk. This is, space and all that kind of stuff. This thing's going to rip. Oh,
just
man.
Shut up and buy it. It's Elon Musk?
Yep, absolutely.
Pretty much.
Is there a red herring?
Yeah, and it'll probably be about 1,000 pages because all the risk factors are going to take up half the red herring.
Next, what do you got quickly here?
Life 360. Do you guys use this on your phone to find loved ones or not loved ones?
No.
Okay, well, I use iPhone. I use the Find My iPhone thing.
Yes,
I have
of
an iPhone.
course. Yep.
But anyway, Life 360 up 24%. This is the location sharing service, folks. Record fourth quarter performance, adding a record number of users. It now has 96 million users.
All right.
We're apparently not among them.
No.
But here's something interesting. Life 360.
Afterthought signed me up for Death 360. She doesn't want to hear from me.
But the ticker symbol there, LIF. And, there were some market concerns late last year that this company wasn't measuring up, wasn't getting it done.
Right.
But, the subscriber numbers seem to be there. So,
we haven't mentioned it. TikTok, I guess there's a new life. You're on TikTok 24/7. What do you think?
You know what? I'm not on it
Lisa
a lot.
Mateo's
Maybe I need to be on it more.
Lisa Mateo's the one that's got a strong social media game.
Oh, yeah.
She does. I mean, she puts her workouts on there and all this craziness, all the exercising, lifting weights and all that.
We'll have to see.